India mi ka channel Banwan Rak Kubor Baman Lakasmi. Ka Voice of the People Party mentakas no phai sngi kala penbenai ukur tong banyak khon ka election MP arjar Arpsau House number 1 kata yo Dr.AJ Syngkon baun long ukur tong naga parti VPP ka jing penbena koloi ka parti ukur tong banyak khon kalong bagan yo bantre khamba bat ban pencanai bahaya ka kam kelipat ya ka jing bom yo tiket usamla Mayborn lengdo banyak khon ka election MP Henry Dr. Karachan ubadai Vice President ka parti ulong bakum ka parti ngi Khlem yo AA ka application na uba Mayborn Henry ki wepat ki ai ka jing tho baki kwa banyak khon ka election MP ulong
kum ka jong ka Voice of the People Party ni yang sobhai ki members ng press ki bawan ban kawai gini ka press conference yung but ka jingtmu jongi ni ka por ni ka purpose kalong ban penbena ya candidate MP jongi naman ka election parliamentary election kan ban long 2024 te ka beli bagani ka parti jongi ka state election committee kala ikandu ka khandru trik jong lu banai but adin ka ba ngila ya perkap sani ba melin meya kren shibun ti ngila ka krami kawai karai ba ngin nominate ya i Dr. AJ Syngkon AJ Syngkon panlong u candidate jong ka Voice of the People Party naman ta ka parliamentary election ka panlong 2024 kata kadai ka purpose jing mentaban panmana
Khlem ha.
Ka jing tu jungi kalong ba ila ban yak chakmat ya ka jing trikam jong parti ken namar langi penbenal pa yung candidate ka suk bangin yak chakmat nangi ken
How
once we enter the fray to contest the election, then we have to move ahead. Whether we win or we lose, it does not depend on the number of MLAs. It depends on the decision of the people. So on our part, we feel that once we enter the fray, we feel that we should go ahead, and it's up to the people to decide whether we win or we lose.
will you be seeking the help of
On our own, we will contest the election on our own, and we will not seek support of any political party.
other regional parties?
No, we will not seek any support from any political party. We will contest on our own.
And the reason for this decision not to seek the support of other political parties?
Because we want to depend on ourselves, to depend on the support of the people. We don't need the support of anyone. And like what is happening now also, like in the previous election also, we have contest on our own. We have not aligned with any political party. So which is why we feel, even for this parliamentary election also, we will contest on our own without the support of any political party.
So what will be the main issues that the VPP is going to the people to seek their mandate for this upcoming MP election?
Well, there are a number of issues, and one of the most important issues is the reservation policy. That is one, and then there are other issues also, which we feel, like if the people elect our candidate to the Lok Sabha, we feel that we'll be in a position to air our views in the floor of the house, especially like issues like the ILP and other issues which are important for the state of Meghalaya.
So what was the criteria of recommending Syngkon's name? Because usually the process is that you invite applications, but not like this. So what is the criteria?
We have received a number of applications, and there are some also who met our president, our party president personally, to convey their willingness to contest the election for the parliamentary election. Okay, so I think there are two applicants who have applied to contest the election from our party. One of them is Dr. Bahunlang Tron. He is an assistant professor in the PGT college, and then another one is a professor in the Northeastern Hill University, Professor Lakhon Kama. These are the two applications that the party received. And then there are others also who came personally to meet the president on this issue. Pak Syngkon udah founder member juga DPP, udah general secretary juga party. Tengok juga por udah beriu ba tabiang dengan nang jistar udah naikai ka school ba anehu. Tengok ke party you know he's the right person kan. Lagi injit yo founder member juga party ti yanu injit. In happen jit yo try juga party bolong founder member ba general secretary juga party.
But what about the vulnerability
application
factor?
Break isu kamdon di pendapat ba ni hanu kom di suya jet baik tentu ni kadon ga proses di application ni.
Kailan ki application bentan just now I told you bagi idon ki application kidon ki bala ki ba kundu ya president lu individually untuk personally.
But why was not this?
The factor is very difficult to say whether a particular candidate will win. Okay, what we feel is that once he contests from the party, okay, then he will win. That is what we feel. If he contests for the party, then there's a chance that he will win the election. That is what we feel. It does not depend because it's not only depend on the candidate. The party also plays an important role.
Ini bu ket kedai indu baik kalau parti kam ai ket ini.
Everybody berkata ni nak yang jongi kemyo ai nama kita di bala mut kala ikut tu president. But kita dulu nak pedeng jongki di bala ai di jingtho di application makin kuat ban contest ini ka MP election.
Atau pinsel bagan ni berbena ketong untuk mentah kadang kloy kan ni ka ke kambian
Yang kong mentan deh ke jingtu ni kalau mila nak lang yo banyak cakap kan. Deh begini bentuk lupa ke kamsuk ini begini ya dan tine begini election.
Jadi sejam yang pipat umuseng hari berka MDC election playa.
Kata hang ni iwan syatang bentak ke parliamentary election ke MDC election ngintang ikren kenang don ka pers bintang selek iki candidate aduh bentak kam MDC 4 rai
But the MDC